Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money from Facebook to bank account. Transferring money from Facebook to a bank account primarily revolves around how you receive the funds in the first place. Here's a breakdown. If you receive the money through Facebook Messenger, that is MetaPay, you must have linked the payment method. So, in some cases, a PayPal account might have been linked to your Facebook account. This is done within the Messenger app or through your MetaPay settings. When someone sends you the money, it's typically deposited into the linked debit card or PayPal account. The time it takes for the funds to disappear and appear in your bank account will depend on your bank's processing time. It can sometimes take up to a few business days. From there, the money is within your bank account and you can access it through your usual banking method, such as ATM, online banking, etc. Next, earnings from Facebook. If your payment came through earnings from Facebook, that is creator earnings, so you will need to set up a payment method within the creator tools. Usually involves providing your bank account details. Facebook will then issue payouts according to this payment schedule, depositing the earnings directly into your linked bank account. MetaPay is designed to streamline payments using Facebook and Instagram. To streamline payments across Facebook and Instagram. Ensure you are familiar with its features. Be cautious of scams. Only provide your bank account details through official Facebook or Meta platforms. The availability and specific procedure depends on your time zone. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, always refer to the official Facebook help page. In essence, Facebook is a facilitator to the transfer and the funds that to land in your linked bank account.